Hey guys, this is unboxing of Nektar Impact LX61. This keyboard arrived today morning. Yeah, let's go and unbox it. Let's see how it goes. And this is the box. It's a beautiful box. Looks good from the outside. Now let's see what is inside. It has been written like it's USB controller keyboard with Nektar DAW integration and Bitwig 8-track included, compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux and iOS. Okay, I have never heard about this Bitwig 8-track. Maybe this is a small DAW which they give free with this keyboard. Licensed one, yeah. And yeah, if you talk about connectivity, it's compatible with most of the operating systems, Windows, OS, Linux and iOS. Personally, I use Windows. In case you have Mac, it is telling integrated DAW support. For example, Bitwig Studio, Cubase, Digital Performer, GarageBand, everything, man, everything. And there we go. Here comes the beast. Sorry, my room is a mess. So guys, basically this is the keyboard. Okay. It looks beautiful, isn't it? Okay. This is some, I guess, user manual and information leaflet. What accessories they are giving with it, not exactly accessories, the softwares which they are giving. This is the Bitwig software, I guess. They have shown the interface, and maybe they must have explained how to activate it and all. Yeah, this is the user guide manual. Nektar LX49 Plus or 69 Plus. Yeah, this is the coupon, I guess. Yeah, they have given the 8-track serial number to activate in the Bitwig 8-track software. So in case, guys, I guess most of you must be working on other DAWs, but in case you just have started, you can start with this because no DAW is different, I guess. Okay, maybe some glue they have used for this. And it is removed before use. Okay. Already so guys, let me tell you my expectations from this keyboard, what I expect from this MIDI controller. First thing, I'm expecting a good pair of keys, a good set of keys which I can play on. I purchased 61 plus version for this so that I can play piano VSTs like addictive keys and all these stuff. Oh yeah, nice. It's not very hard keys like actual digital pianos. You know, everyone is not comfortable of digital piano keys because they are very hard weighted, but this is semi weighted and right, feels great, at least for me. And these are drum trigger pads. We'll check its sensitivity once it's connected up. So that's it, guys, and showing its front panel, it has on off switch, a sustain pedal, I guess. Yeah, foot switch. Yeah, so you can use sustain pedals for this. And yes, this is USB connectivity. Just use your USB cable and will be connected directly. But one thing which I am missing is, I guess, let me check the box. Where is the cable? Okay, they have given it. Where is the MIDI cable? They have given it. So let's go and connect it. I will be back within a short few of minutes. Thank you. And see how does it behave with other patches. There is some dance lead. So yeah, as you guys, you can see it's more suitable for these pads and all. So here it is, pads. Guys, I would say a perfect MIDI controller for producing your music. You will enjoy making your music like anything. And this piece is really a good piece of technology and engineering. And let's check the drum pads. Okay. So as you can see, drum pads are velocity sensitive. These drum pads are not that great. Or maybe I'm not used to it, but on the first overview, I will give it 7 out of 10. It looks beautiful. Let me check some other patches. That's it, guys. What's my verdict on this is that you can certainly not found any better MIDI controller in this budget like this. This is the best in this budget. I mean, in 16K and 17K, there is no match of other keyboards. I have used M audio MIDI controllers in earlier stages also, but this keyboard feels like that it's all worth of 17k amount. So in case you guys are thinking to go for it, yeah, go. It has all the good stuff. MIDI controller. This MIDI controller is inbuilt. I have not configured all these rotary knobs and these volume knobs, but I guess they will serve the purpose. Not that great, but yeah, definitely serves the purpose. So overall rating, if you want, I would give it 8 out of 10, which is not bad. Thank you.